This week's lesson, we're going to work on space and shape. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our paper. You can either make your picture horizontally or you can make it vertically. If you're doing it vertically, you might have more of a cityscape. If you want more of a lush landscape, like fields, you might want to do it horizontally. So what you're going to do is you're going to create your horizon line, making sure I'm in the frame. All right, and I'm just going to draw a really light line right there. Then you're going to find your vanishing point. So the horizon line is where your eye line is, and everything from there is getting closer to from where it vanishes. So we're going to create a road by making some diagonal lines. Now, far away, the lines might even blend into each other, but as they get closer to you, they're going to get longer. They might even get wider as they get closer to you. Here I'm making a bunch of rectangles. Now this is a country road. It might not have a sidewalk, but if you have a sidewalk, you're going to create another diagonal line coming off of that vanishing point. Once again, the lines of your sidewalk are going to get smaller and closer together the further away it is, and they're going to get wider and further away from each other the closer to you they get. Next, we're going to make a building. So what you want to do is you want to make a vanishing point that goes diagonally. I'm going to draw this really softly so it's easy to erase. Now, I'm going to create a trapezoid for the building. So here's my small line, and I'm going to bring it over a little bit, make another vertical line, and then close that up. So now you can see the trapezoid, 4 sides, one short, one long. And then on this side of the building, I'm going to make a rectangle. And however wide I make that rectangle on the bottom, I'm going to do the same on the top. Then I'm going to connect those two using a vertical line. Now, if you would like your house to have a triangle at the top, you can do that. And whatever angle that line is, you're going to follow that angle, but of course it's going to be a little bit smaller because it's further away. So anything that is facing you is going to look flat. So if I'm going to make a window, this might look like a square with squares inside of it. But if I make a door over here, as I would follow that vanishing point again. Sorry, wrong vanishing point. To create that door. Now the things that are closer to you are going to be bigger. So if you have a bush, it's going to be bigger. But if you have a bush far away, it will be very small. The same thing is going to happen with your clouds. You're going to have smaller clouds the closer to the vanishing point, But the further away from the vanishing point, the clouds are gonna seem bigger. All right, add whatever you like to this. I'm gonna just fix some of my angles here. I think that might make my door look a little bit better. And play with the vanishing point and creating that space of far away and close to you. I can't wait to see what you create.